My God! That was Biff. Oh! That one went off! Almost! Woo!
This is a test. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, has just activated the public warning alarm tone. This tone will normally precede the broadcast of emergency messages. During potential dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to advise or warn of impending hazards. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Sioux Falls each Wednesday morning between 11 a.m. and noon Central Time. The test will be canceled if severe weather threatens the area during the usual test time. Reception of this broadcast, especially of the alarm tone, will vary at any given location. Variability is caused by such factors as terrain and distance from the transmitters, and will occur even though you may be using a good quality receiver. To provide the most consistent and dependable service possible, the warning alarm tone will be activated only for selected watches and warnings affecting those counties within each transmitter's listening area. This concludes our test. We now return to normal programming. At 11 a.m., the sky was mostly sunny in Sioux Falls. The temperature was 73 and the dew point 56. The relative humidity was 54%. Wind was calm. Pressure was 30.16 inches and steady. Elsewhere around the tri-state area, Mitchell was sunny and 68. Yankton was sunny and 69.
Alright, let's see if let's check Steve with